Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make taskbar smaller in Windows 10. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Making the taskbar smaller in Windows 10 is a simple process. Here's how you can do it. Right-click anywhere on the empty space of the taskbar to open a context menu. From the context menu, select Taskbar Settings. In the Taskbar Settings window, find the option for Use Small Taskbar Buttons. Toggle the switch to turn it on. After enabling the Small Taskbar Buttons option, your taskbar will immediately resize to be smaller. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.